Okay, good evening. Welcome to another Broadway Family Karate video tutorial. Tonight I'm going to demonstrate the Palmheel Cross Blocks. The Palmheel Cross Block is defense against a shoulder grab, single shoulder grab attack. So somebody's trying to come and touch you on the shoulder, and it's a way of defending that. So basically, you want to bring your hand about shoulder height like this. So let's say you get grabbed on the right shoulder right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come straight across, push the hand off my shoulder, just like that. So bring my hand across and strike for the release. Okay. You want to make sure if I get grabbed on this side, I want to use my opposite hand to push against the arm. Okay, because if I use this hand against the grab on this side, I'm going to get stuck on the neck, okay? So you really want to use the opposite hand. So if I get grabbed on this shoulder, I'm going to use my opposite hand, come straight across and strike. I get touched on this shoulder, use the opposite hand and come straight across just like that. So make sure you're good handshake, fingers together, thumb against your fingers. Okay, so I'm going to have Mr. Thompson assist me in demonstrating the technique. And we're going to do this at a diagonal. So we're going to start off by, let's do he's going to do grab me on my left shoulder. Okay. Now, I don't want to come on the same side and push against his arm because it's going to push his hand against my neck. So I'm going to use my opposite hand, shoulder width, shoulder height, come across just like so. Just a nice slap. And like so. And like so. Let's try the other shoulder. Okay. Opposite hand. So. So. And like so. Pretty simple technique. Now Mr. Thompson's going to do actually he's going to reach and grab. Okay. So actually do this shoulder here. Okay. Before he even touches me, I'm going to actually do that strike, that Palmheel Cross Block. Okay, again, like that, and go. Okay, try it one more time. I'm going to do it the wrong way. Like, I don't want to do it on the same side, okay? That's what's going to happen. Okay, now, let's try the other side. Use opposite hand, like so. Like so. And like so. Okay, thank you, Mr. Thompson.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very effective self-defense technique, the Palmheel Cross Block.